Hello everyone, my name is Mala Chauhan and I live beside the railway line in Mayapuri slum community. I was born and brought up in this community. 25 years ago, my family relocated from the state of Uttar Pradesh to Delhi in search of better opportunities. My father has been working as a checker in an export house for all these years. There was a time when my father fell ill for a long period and there was no income in our family. My father's illness required the purchase of multiple medicines. As we had no money, we had to borrow and fell into debt. We were in complete despair and started to lose hope. This is one of the worst experiences that we had to face together as a family. Our house is located just 3 meters away from the railway track. Trains pass by every 5 minutes. There is constant noise surrounding us. There are regular railway announcements from the railway platform nearby. My day begins early morning with filling water as there is no supply of a tap or water source within my community. The government water tanks visit our area 2 times a day to supply us water. Every day I stand in line and wait for hours to fill our water cans. There is a public toilet complex in our community that is used by all slum dwellers. During the day, there are already many problems, but at night, this toilet complex is not safe for women. I can confirm this from my own experiences as a woman. In this atmosphere, violence and hooliganism are common occurrence. Mayapuri is the place where there is no room for education. Living in such a community, I never thought that it would be possible for me to complete my high school. My connection with Asha started before I was even born. This was due to my mother, who has taken care of by Asha during her pregnancy. As a child, I joined children's group at Asha. Here, I learned how to take responsibility for my community. I also learned the values such as compassion and non-violence and how they can be practiced in daily life. When I was in 12th standard and preparing for my final exams, I was stressed as I urgently required the private coaching to help me with my studies. However, due to my financial problems, my father was unable to afford the fees of coaching. I felt unprepared and constantly worried thinking how I would write my final exam. At such a crucial time in my life, I received free coaching and books through Asha's education program. This helped me to score 87% in my school leaving board exam. I could not believe that living in a slum, I scored such a good marks. When I met Dr. Kiran, I was very touched by her thoughts, her goodwill, and her passion to help less fortunate. I, these qualities left an impression on me. I convinced myself that I wanted to become like her and achieve something for my community. When I discussed my ambitions with her, she helped me to understand that I would need to pursue my higher education if I wanted to fulfill my dreams. She began to mentor me personally. Through Asha, I secured a seat at Delhi University where I completed my Bachelor in Arts with a focus on political science and history. I worked hard and I was happy that I could score a GPA of 7.6 out of 10 overall when I graduated in the year of 2020. The 3 years of my college were filled with golden opportunities. I got my first internship at British High Commission. I still remember the first day of my internship. I felt I was dreaming when I saw the building, the environment, and the staff. I also made a presentation to the British High Commissioner at that time, Sir Dominic Asquith. He gave me generous feedback on my hard work. When Dr. Kiran ma'am suggests to me that I might be able to get an international higher education. I didn't know what to say. I was so shocked. When I recovered, I realized what a rare and wonderful opportunity this would be. I don't know if it will ever come true, but I know with Dr. Kiran ma'am by my side, this can be made possible. If it's happened, I will be the first girl from the slums of Delhi who will receive international masters. After all, Asha means hope. There is no one Mala in the slums of Delhi. There are thousands of such students whose lives are being transformed by the power of education. I would like to end my speech by the reciting few lines for Dr. Kiran ma'am, who is just like a mother to me. I call her Ma, which means mother in Hindi. Our ships of dreams come to the source because of you. In every obstacle, you save us. We were nothing and had no identity. You turn us from the pebbles into gold. Thank you.